Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the topic of the zero conditional. This conditional is very useful when we want to talk about real facts and general truths. Let's go step by step. 1. What is the zero conditional? The zero conditional is a type of conditional sentence that we use when the result of our conditions is always true. It describes facts, scientific truths, and things that are generally valid. Structure: if más present simple más present simple. 2. How can we use it? We can use the zero conditional in different situations to talk about scientific facts, to describe natural law, to explain rules and instructions, to talk about habits or routines that always happen in the same way. 3. Examples: if it rains, the grass gets wet. If students don't study, they fail exams. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. Notice that both parts of the sentence are in the present simple. 4. Important details to remember. We never use the future tense in the zero conditional. For example, we don't say if you hold ice, it will melt. Instead, we say if you hold ice, it melts. But clause use the present simple tense. The order can change. If it is sunny, people go to the beach. People go to the beach if it is sunny. 5. Positive, negative, and interrogative forms. Positive sentence: if you touch fire, it burns. Negative sentence: if I don't eat breakfast, I feel tired. Interrogative sentence: what happens if you don't water the plants? 6. More practice with examples. If you press this button, the computer turns on. If animals are hungry, they look for food. If people don't sleep well, they get sick. In the teacher asks a question, students answer. Let's make a short summary of everything we have learned about the zero conditional. Please remember the definitions we use the zero conditional to talk about facts, habits, and rules that are always true. Second, the structure. If past present simple, both parts of the sentence stay in the present simple tense. 7. Conclusion. Though sum up, the zero conditional is used for real and permanent situations. It always follows this rule. Condition in the present simple result in the present simple. It's simple but very powerful because it helps us explain how the world works. Thank you very much for listening. I hope the explanation was clear and now you can use the zero conditional in your whole sentences. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.